to my YouTube channel, guys, and happy new year to all of you guys. So this year brings you so much happiness and so much of energy to fight against COVID-19. And shout out to all the frontliners who have sacrificed for us, and we truly appreciate your efforts and sacrifice to fight against COVID-19. And thank you so much to all the frontliners. So yeah, and today we are going to see a very interesting thing. So without wasting any time, let's start. Today we are going to see top 7 K dramas. If you have missed to watch this Korean dramas, then you can check out the list here and watch in your free time. So yeah, let's get started. So my first K drama on the list is It's Okay to Not Be Okay. So this drama has got very high rating on IMDb also. So this is one of my favorite drama of 2020. So why I have kept this drama on my top of the list? Because this drama is so unique, and this drama has shown a different side of the woman, like that is, women can be so strong, and women can have a strong desire to share your feelings first. Because in most of the dramas, it is opposite, that boy always approaches a girl, and the girl is so poor and very less confident, and when boy approaches the girl, and after that the girl becomes more confident and more open. So this is not that case. So girl is so confident and having a strong desire that what she's going to do next and what she wants in her life. So this drama is really that gives me that sense of vibe. So this drama is really good and so beautiful and very well portrayed. So this drama is wonderful. So you can guys watch on this on Netflix. So my second K drama on the list is The Flower of Evil. So this drama is really unique, and this drama is not completely romantic Korean drama. So this drama is having crime thriller. So there is so much of crime investigation, and the lead actor is having so much of dark secrets, and he is hiding from his wife, and the wife is a police officer, and she gets one case, and that case is related to his dark past. So it's really amazing and very thriller to watch, like how she is finding and how she is coping with her husband. So this drama is suspense in every episode. If you watch one episode, at the end you will feel so suspense that okay, so what gonna be on next episode, so what will be on next episode, is it he going to die, or is it she going to die, or something like that. So it's very complicated, and it's really wonderful to watch this kind of drama. I love this kind of drama too, that it is not too romantic and not very dull romantic also. It is proper balanced and properly well portrayed drama. So I really loved it. So I kept this drama on second of my list, because I was going to keep Crash Landing on You, which comes next, but this drama is really good and worthy to watch. So guys, if you haven't watched this drama, you can watch it on Viki. So it is available on Viki, so you can watch it there. So it is really good drama. So my third drama on the list is Crash Landing on You. So this is one of the best Korean dramas I've ever seen. So this is a story between a South Korean girl and a North Korean boy who is a soldier, and how their lives are very different from each other. One is from rich and big city with most of the lights, and she's a superstar there. And here the North Korean who is struggling and who is very low and very low profile, and he is so much struggling his own day-to-day life. So yeah, so this is a story between these two, how they meet each other and what are the challenges the girl is facing, and after that what are some challenges that boy is going to face because of this girl. So this is completely romantic and comedy dramas. It is worthy to watch. If you haven't watched this, you can watch it on Netflix. This drama is already on Netflix, so guys, go and watch this drama. You will love it, and it is so beautiful, so much beautiful drama. So my fourth K drama on the list is E7 Class. So E7 Class has to be on my list because it was wonderful drama and first drama of 2020 I have watched on Netflix. So it is really good and very much inspiring K drama. And it was a needy K drama of 2020 because of all this bad stuff going around over the whole year. So this drama has inspired so much, and it's really good to watch this drama. So this drama is all about being true to yourself, be true, and be focus on the right things, because even the right things has too lengthy process or too has to struggle so many things to get that things, but the right thing or right process is very important. So yeah, so being a true to yourself, being a going on right path, and even the right path is very hard to achieve, but still trying that, even though there is so much of failure on the path, but still we have to do it. That approach, that kind of right attitude towards the thing has given this strong message from this Korean drama. So this Korean drama is really wonderful, and if you have so many things, you have gone through a lot of things in 2020, and you have to focus on many big things, and you want to achieve that things, then you can watch this drama and get inspired by. So this drama is really wonderful, and it is on Netflix. You guys can watch it on Netflix. So my fifth K drama on the list is The King Eternal Monarch. So this has to be on my list because of Lee Min Ho. Lee Min Ho is my favorite actor, and this drama is so different and so unique storyline, because this drama is having two different worlds. It's in same parallel universe. Like one is a current living world, which is like we, you, and the South Korean actress living in 2020 South Korea, and the second one is the different universe, which is there. I don't know what was that, but it was different from the South Korea and the current living world. So this two parallel world is going in hand, and the lead actor, which is Lee Min Ho, he breaches that barrier and goes to South Korea, and he learns so many new things, and he learns about so much the truth about his world and her world also, the lead actress which is living in South Korea. And yeah, so this is really beautiful Korean drama and so unique. Even I love this drama because of this parallel and little bit of science touch, how they are calculating and how they are going through and fro from the one world to another world. So this is really wonderful, and the lead actor and lead actress are having so magical connection between, even apart if they are in two different worlds. So this is really wonderful. You can watch it on Netflix. Give thumbs up to this drama. This is really good. Sixth K drama on the list is The Tale of Nine Tail. So this drama is very wonderful and interesting if you love this concept of like vampires and wolves and all other mythological creatures. So this drama is full of mythological creatures, and you will love this drama. Like in every drama ends, there is a very short suspense, like what is gonna be in next episode, or is it any other creature is involved. And if you love Kim Bum, then you have to watch this drama, because this drama is very magical, and he has made dramas, he has made his entrance so good that I really love. Yeah, and the lead actor and lead actress are having so magical chemistry. So this drama is very wonderful if you wonderful, and if you love this all mythological creatures drama like vampires, wolves, and everything. So this is some kind of similar to that. So you will love this drama. You can watch it on Viki. So give thumbs up to this drama. So my seventh K drama on the list is Startup. The Startup is a Netflix show, and recently it was aired on Netflix. So you can watch it on Netflix. But this Startup gives a best message to all the women out there, that women can be stable on her own, and this gave a strong impression of woman empowerment from this drama. So this drama is really wonderful and beautiful to all the young aspiring women who want to be a Steve Jobs of their own country. So yeah, so this is very wonderful drama, woman empowerment, and it gives you the strong message of a woman can be stable on her own. She can do everything on her own. So yeah, so this is very good drama. You can watch it on Netflix. Thank you for watching me, guys. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel to so you can get more content on K dramas and Korean K-pop and everything stuff. So yeah, and see you in next videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. See you soon.